Okay, first day of contract week, and my room was a mess when I got here. I'll show you what it looks like now. Okay, one thing I've left to do is names and cubbies, but I have center tags up. I put my storybook friends here. This is how I do like name attendance. Birthday cupcakes are filled out. I've got my circle time stuff getting ready. Linear calendar is up. I'm gonna make these bigger. Got this all the way through the 31st, so I have enough Velcro dots. I moved these. Got necklaces for here. Got my magnet thing ready. Quiet toys are out. Center tags out. iPad's charged. Getting stuff ready for back to school night. These folders will go in their backpacks and they're done. All this stuff is done for Meet the Teacher. Tomorrow I want to set up Writing Center. Yeah, everything is really getting there. Really getting there. Yeah, these folders are sorted. Let's see what else I did. We basically had meetings all morning and had a half day to come in our room. Oh yeah, this is all I have left. My checkoff sheets are done. My little teacher center buckets are done. They've got scissors, hole punch, Sharpies, dry erase, pen, and giant pom-pom. I'm giving books for birthdays, so that is my birthday book box. Guys, I'm like done.